I used to think plastic was the problem. Today, I believe the real problem is that we've created a world where plastic has almost no value once we've used it. Because when something has no value, we throw it away. And that realization completely changed the way I see the environmental crisis. After the last episode, I became obsessed with one question. If plastic pollution is such a massive global problem, why haven't we solved it? Like most people, I assumed recycling had the answer. And then I discovered something that completely shocked me. Less than 10% of all plastic ever produced has actually been recycled. Less than 10%. That means the vast majority has been buried, burned, or leaked into nature. It's one of the reasons scientists are now finding microplastics in our oceans, our food, our drinking water, and even inside the human body. I couldn't understand it. If recycling exists, why isn't it enough? The answer is simple. Recycling is incredibly important, but it has its limits. Many plastics are contaminated, others are made from different materials fused together, and in many cases, recycling them costs more than the plastic itself is worth. That's when everything clicked for me. This isn't just a recycling problem, it's a value problem. If waste has almost no value, why would anyone invest billions to recover it? So I kept searching. And eventually I discovered a technology I'd never heard of before: pyrolysis. Someone explained it to me in a way I will never forget. Nature takes millions of years to create fossil oil. Pyrolysis uses science to accelerate a similar chemical transformation, turning certain plastic waste into a certified circular oil that can be used again and again by industry. I remember thinking, so this plastic doesn't have to be the end of the story anymore. And that's the moment my perspective shifted. I stopped seeing plastic as garbage. I started seeing it as a resource that has simply lost its value. And then I realized something even bigger. When waste has value, people collect it. Businesses invest in it. Infrastructure get built. Innovation accelerates. Because we all know this. Value changes behavior. And that's what excited me the most. Not just the technology, but the idea that solving environmental problems could finally make economic sense. Because I truly believe that's how solutions scale. Not through guilt, not through sacrifice, but by aligning what's good for the planet with what's good for the people. That idea completely changed my life. As I continued researching, one company kept appearing, a company that wasn't just talking about this vision, because they were already actively building it. And to be honest, in the beginning I thought it sounded too good to be true. So I decided to find out for myself. And that's exactly what I'll share in the next episode. If this episode made you see plastic differently, let me know in the comments. And I would like to ask you, have you ever heard of pyrolysis before? And do you think giving waste real economic value could change the future? If you're enjoying this series, please subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you in episode 4.